While the new products are emerging in text to image generation, the existing products which emerged just few months back have evolved rapidly and they continue to improve. Scenario is one such application. I have done couple videos in the past on scenario, and in this video I'm just going to show you how much it has improved over the last few months. They are releasing features upon features, and recently they have announced a new feature called as Scenario Canvas. And it is not just a feature, but it is sort of evolution in AI artistry journey as per Scenario. This is designed for artists. This canvas takes AI generated visuals and then give them power to refine, polish, and perfect them. With the Scenario Canvas, you don't have to rely anymore on AI's incantations. You take control, you manage layers, you add your personal touch, and you ensure that every detail resonates with your vision. So primarily, what Scenario is trying to do, it is combining your creativity with AI, which is, I believe, is the future. And this really gives a lot of comfort to the artist that AI is not here to replace them, rather to complement them. And if you look at various images generated by AI, there is still a lot of room for human creativity. And this scenarios canvas tool allows you to do just that. So on your screen, you can see scenarios website. And as I said that scenario is a pioneer text to image generative AI application. Now, what it is using is it is building upon the stable diffusion foundations. And let me show you how cool it is when it is put it in the practice. The first thing you need to do is to sign up with your email for a free account and then you should sign in. Once you sign in, you will go to this console of scenario. From here, create your first project. So on the left hand side, click on canvas and then on the top right, click on new project. Just give it any name. Let's say test one, create. Now from here, either you can select any existing character or you can do the custom one, but for that you need a paid account. Let's go with the signature one and you can create any generator from here. So you can go with the 3D concept art or cell shaded universe. Let me see if any animal character is available. Let me go with this 3D maybe character one. Doesn't matter. This is just an example. So once that's done, on the left hand side in the prompt, give it a prompt which you wanted to create. Now I'm just asking it to create dinosaur with human face, body shot with tentacles like hands, concept art. So I'm trying to make this prompt as comprehensive as possible with lot of hints like it should be of this quality, rendering should be like this, 3D and all that stuff. So let's generate it. Click on generate and I'm keeping rest of the information as is. So it is going to generate 4 images and you can select whichever you think is the best. So let's wait for it and you'll be surprised by the quality of the rendered image with this scenario app and shouldn't take too long. So it has generated few, but as you can see that there is no human face involved here. So I will say reject and I will ask it to generate again. Maybe I will select a different generator. I will go with this one. Let's see the generate. Let's wait for it to finish. So AI has come up with these 4 images and you can select whichever you like. And once you select and accept, it will be your image. Now this is AI generated. You can manipulate this image, edit it, refine it, fine tune it as per your own creativity, and scenario lets you do that. and it works on the basis of layers. So on the right hand side, you can see that this is one layer. Now, in order to create another layer, just select it and then click on this duplicate element, and you have another layer. Now, in this layer, what you can do, you can adjust it as you like, and then from here you can either crop it, you can add various effects, you can even remove background, and if you want to, for example, make the eyes red or teeth of some other color, you can go to sketch and then click on stroke color and select any color of your choice, and then you can set the opacity, brush size, and you can do a lot of other things. And once you are done, you can click here on merge all to merge these layers to make this image as one image, and afterwards you can simply go ahead and download it. So very cool idea, I would say, very novel. You're not just relying on whatever has been generated by AI. It is giving the power back to humans and really appreciating the human creativity, which is awesome. So hats off to the creators and the idea, and I believe this is the future of Gen AI, where it will be complementing the human intelligence and creativity. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please share them, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.